This is our school's giving tree. We collect hats, socks, and mittens for people who can't afford them.
This is Toys for Tots. Please help Mr. Lipke's cause and donate toys for kids who can't afford them. Please and thank you. Please donate food to the food pantry. Remember, non-perishable food items.
It's awesome.
Please donate to the Humane Society. It says Humane Society donations for 5th grade.
In honor of our remodeling, 1st grade got to build all kinds of fancy structures in the library.
December 8th through 14th, we will be participating in the Hour of Code. So will our
Facing that way. How are you going to get over here? You got it.
Yeah.